guys, today I'm showing you how to fold the Nightingale, which is the jet you've all been waiting for. And since I uploaded that short, I've made a few improvements over it. So we're just going to start with the falcon base. And then fold that up, fold that back down there, and then fold that there. And then now you're going to fold it over, releasing the trap paper behind while folding the edge into the center. And then fold it in again. It's not that hard, it's pretty easy to fold, just in case you're wondering. It's like what Irrelevant would call easy. Sorry about background noise. Okay, just now you're gonna continue that crease like that. And then fold that back in. And unfold that and swivel it like that too. Okay, so your plane or jet should look like this. Now you're gonna kind of open it up like that and release that. Okay, let's do that on the other side. Just kind of pull that little trapped edge out. Fold that down like that. And then pull this down too, along with that one. Like that. Okay, do that on the other side. It's real easy, I told you. Fold that up, fold that down again. Now, you're going to divide this into thirds. Do that on the other side. Fold that up. Divide that into thirds. There's actually already going to be the creases there. So it should look like this. Now you're going to fold that in, a little tip in. Then you're going to fold that in too. Sorry about the dumb screen. Like that. Okay. So like that. And that's reinforced wings. In case you're wondering why there's so much like rolling. And like that too. Okay, so you're just gonna fold that down too, along with it, and then fold that down along with that too. Okay, so we have the wings. They're pretty heavily reinforced. And then you're gonna just fold these edges up. We're just gonna make the tail fins now. So we're going to do the beginning of falcon tail fins. Should align that up with that small edge, like that. And it should line up with this edge, in case you're wondering. Like that. And then okay, so now this is where it gets different from Falcon. So you're going to make a crease from that corner to that edge. Not really edge, crease. So basically a reference. Do that too.
Right field line.
Is it a back field?
Yeah. You like that?
No.
Okay.
I want to.
So now we're just gonna inside.
Today, 8 pieces.
Do that, like that, and then that. Okay. Okay, like that.
What happened?
Okay, so that's gonna be the tail fin, and just inside reverse fold the creases on the other side.
What? What?
You just make your pinky finger in the off.
Okay, sorry about the background noise. Sorry, this bad camera was not working.
Did you buy the sour thing?
Okay.
Yes.
So
What are you making?
now you're going to unfold these edges down.
I have lemon flavoring.
Oh, I don't need, I leave a lemon, did you buy a lemon? I mean, that's Susie.
So like that, so that,
This?
that.
You need to learn. Can you bring in my ball machine?
That too.
The ball machine? Dang.
That. Like that. And that. We're almost done. We just need to do the jet folding. So just jet fold it how big or small you want. And by the way, this is my last sheet of foil, so I'm not going to be making any more jets of foil. Okay. And now we can fold that into there. So if it kind of bubbles up, just flatten that out. Fold it in again. That's kind of bad. Like that. Okay. And now we can just curl these flaps around each other to form an afterburner. And that's Nightingale. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and sorry about the background noise.